It's my cell phone.
No, it's broken. You broke it.
Oh, hold on! Wait! Where are you going, Liam Page?
I'll give anyone $10,000 if they can fix my phone. 10,000.
Hey, Mr. Page, $10,000, son. Do you mind if I... Yeah.
On the house, I'm the store manager.
Okay, let's have a look here. So I take it these messages you need to get to, they must be very important.
It's just one.
It's fixed. I'll give you some privacy and you can check for yourself.